Hi everyone, welcome back to the Don't Have channel. So in the couple of videos we've been handling various tags, and then we'll be learning about how to structure our page for a nice customized website. And so in this video, what I would like to do is I would like us to do a little organizing. Now we've learned more of the semantic tags, and then I want us to organize our page properly before we move on and add any other tags and elements. And so if that sounds good to you, why don't you hit on the subscribe button if you've not liked the video, share, comment down below, and if there's anything bothering you, if you have any questions, just comment it and I'll be there to assist you. All right guys, so now as you can see, I've opened VS Code. So I would like to create a new file. Okay, so you can open your Explorer here, and then all right, let me just make it big. So you can open your Explorer and then click on this button right here. It says new file to create a new file, and I'm going to call it main.html. okay, just to give it a different name from the index.html. That is why I called it name.html. We can rename it after we are done with everything. So I would like to get the default template for HTML, and as I said earlier on, the shortcut is DOC or exclamation mark. So I'm going to use this and press enter. So it has given me this. What I have here is the title. I can change the title to learning HTML or my first website. Let's make it my first website. That is okay. And then we can add some metadata here. You can see meta. The name should be, let's set the description of the website, and then we'll just say to the content. We'll set the content to we'll set the content to my site, and then we can then close this. We'll open our metadata again. Name, set the author. Well, this is how to spell author. Yeah. Set the content to your name, so you can also do same. All right, so now I think that should be okay for the head, and then I can get in our body. So we can go to our previous file and then copy whatever we have in our body, but we are going to do it in parts. Okay, so I think we have this style here, so let's just copy this style for now. So we should cut it and paste it here. So what we are doing is that we are just cleaning up our page. Okay, we are just cleaning it up so that we can do proper organization in the right way. So back to this side, we can then, so on the top of your web page, what would you like to see? You would like to see a navigation bar which will have links leading to various sites or various aspects or parts on your website. And so we want to see the navigation which might also contain your logo if you have a company, the logo for the company, and then links such as home, about, services, contacts. Yeah, so we want to see the navigation. So what I'll do is we'll get our header element just like this. We'll get our header element, and then we can then put in the navigation in there. So let's copy our header. Let's copy the header and paste it right here. Paste it right here. So right below our body we have a header. So the header here, we can give this link. You can see just type in this for now. Type in home for now, and the name what should be displayed is home. And also I mentioned earlier that when we are making link, other developers like to use, most developers like to use the list, right? That is the unordered list in order to display links. So I'm going to do same here. So let me just get rid of this and then type in UL for unordered list and type in li to show that that is a link, and then I can bring the anchor tag for the link itself, and then I'll say this link should be called home. Okay, we'll come and fill in the attributes later. So in order to copy this line, I'll just hold Shift Alt and then the arrow key down. I'll press it a couple of times. So I have 4 links right here, and I'll come and rename them as we move on. So let's just save this. Let's right click and open with live server. And so we're expecting to see our website. Wait, have I done this right? Yeah, I think I've done this right. So let's open it. We wouldn't need to restore. Yes, so we now have these links, what's exactly what we're expecting. So the navigation normally should have a title, okay, but in this case the title is optional. You can put a title, an h2 that specifies navigation, okay, and then you save it. It is optional, but let's just place it there since we are learning. So let me reduce the size of this so that we can see our work side by side. So the next thing I want us to clear is right here we have a section already, but before the section we need to place everything else in the main element, because the main element actually does what it does. It's everything in the main. Everything in the main element is everything you expect to see in your body, right?